Welcome to Pine Valley, home to a modern liquid egg processing plant in the United States. This facility processes eggs using inline and offline operations to ensure consistent output. Our journey begins at the conveyor tables, where eggs are transported towards the breaking machine. Before breaking, the eggs are washed to meet U.S. legislation and checked for dirt and defects. Dirty eggs are placed on a loop conveyor, which sends them back for another wash. Defective eggs are dropped into a grinder for further processing and are not suitable for human consumption. The next stop is the egg breakers. This plant features the latest generation of egg breakers, the SANOVO BreakerPro, along with the reliable earlier generation, the OptiBreaker model. Both machines are, in this case, 18-row machines and have an egg breaking capacity of over 200,000 eggs per hour each. The BreakerPro and OptiBreaker machines do more than just break open eggs. They can also separate the yolk from the white. This allows the machines to output 3 types of products: egg white, egg yolk, and whole egg. Each product has its own collecting vat and filter, resulting in 3 collecting vats and 3 filters for each machine. The BreakerPro stands out with its latest technology, capable of handling a higher volume with the greatest yield in the industry. Meanwhile, the OptiBreaker, a trusted staple, continues to deliver consistent performance as it has done for more than 18 years. Both breaker models come with a wide range of capacities. Photocells at the breaker Infeed count each egg, giving operators row-specific data. Once the eggs are broken, the liquid egg is separated. The yolk lands in a cup specially designed for it, while the egg white flows into another cup below. The egg cups are shaken to maximize the separation of egg white and yolk. Extra egg white yield is ensured by optimal drain time, forcing the last bit of egg white out of the broken eggshells. The breakers have food-grade polyethylene cups instead of stainless steel for better egg white scanning with less light reflection and up to 40% lower power consumption due to their lighter weight. All cups are scanned with the computer scanning system, SANOVO OptiScan, which identifies even the smallest spot of yolk in the egg white. If any yolk is discovered in the egg white, the egg in that cup can be delivered to the whole egg section. Cups with ideal separation of yolk and egg white are dropped separately into drain pans in the lowest part of the machine. Each breaker is equipped with an HMI for easy control and overview for the operators. The BreakerPro can also feature the newly developed egg white recovery unit, which retrieves egg white hangers sticking to the shells before disposal. This results in up to a 0.5% yield increase of edible egg white. After the drain pans, the egg goes into separate collecting vats, and from there, they go further into self-cleaning filters to remove any impurities. It is important then to cool the filtered liquid to inhibit the growth of bacteria and ensure the product meets food safety standards. Typically, plate heat exchangers are used for this task. In this case, collecting vats are used to ensure an even product flow to the coolers. Alternatively, continuous level sensors can be used to control the egg flow. The automatic filters are self-cleaning and 100% CIP cleanable. Naturally, all parts in contact with the raw product are food contact material approved. The product is cooled to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit using plate heat exchangers and then pumped into storage tanks. This facility has 6 20,000-gallon stainless steel tanks for storing liquid egg. The egg product can be pumped directly to the pasteurization equipment or into tanker trucks via a valve cluster. Operations, logging, and other parameters are easily controlled via a fully integrated SCADA system. Large quantities of liquid egg are typically transported by tanker trucks. This facility features an integrated solution for efficient delivery into the tank trailers. The next point of interest is the pasteurization room. SANOVO's pasteurization equipment is designed to safely heat-treat liquid eggs, eliminating bacteria and extending shelf life without compromising the final product's functional properties. Because liquid egg is a delicate food requiring precise handling, SANOVO's purpose-built pasteurizers are specifically engineered for this task. They are adaptable, allowing for adjustments based on the product and its unique characteristics. Specialized heat regeneration technology is utilized in this plant to prevent cross-contamination and extend pasteurization times, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. A fully automatic valve cluster with mix-proof valves has been installed to ensure food safety standards are met, providing flexibility and reducing manual labor. The product first passes through a heat regeneration section and is then heated to the desired temperature. Afterwards, it moves through insulated holding tubes for the necessary pasteurization time before entering a cooling section. The pasteurized product is then stored in tanks until it's ready for distribution. Cleaning and food safety are top priorities for every egg processor. SANOVO's cleaning-in-place systems offer a comprehensive cleaning solution, ideal for automatically cleaning pipes, tanks, and other equipment within the processing plant. This skid-mounted system is fully controlled by a PLC, ensuring precise detergent concentrations and optimal cleaning flow rates. Liquid egg has many end-use possibilities and is widely used as an ingredient in various foods worldwide like mayonnaise, dressings, ice cream, and pastries. Liquid egg can even be further processed into egg powder, which increases shelf life and lowers transportation costs. Thank you for exploring Pine Valley's advanced egg processing plant. With SANOVO Technology Group, you turn your eggs into valuable business. Contact us today or visit our website for more information.